Good morning, guys. So, yesterday was our first day trying out remote learning, and most of you really just did an amazing job, organizing your time and, monitoring what you need to do. You sent me personal messages, asking me questions, which is really responsible of you. And I've really been thinking, what are the things I need to give you videos for that might be helpful? So, one thing that I noticed that a lot of us struggled with was turning in our math work. Now, I understand we did it differently before this week, but I just want to go over a few things about Pearson. First thing, I think using a laptop, a Chromebook, or a computer, it's easier to get onto Pearson. I haven't tried on my iPad, but I will. And the other thing that I've noticed is that students are not turning in their work. So I'm going to actually go in to the assignment and I'm going to show you that for me, it pops up as logging in with your email. So I'm going to go in two ways. I'm going to show you on the student end and I'm going to show you on the teacher end. So I'm just going to sign in. Um, you know what? Let me sign in as Han because I have it saved already. And it's important that you click the button that says send to teacher. Now, if you send to teacher and it's not complete, it's giving you a grade on it. So, and I'll show you what it looks like on my end. So let me go back. I actually changed the format before. It looked a little bit different and I brought you back to this. You need to do every single component. You can't not complete it and turn it in. And I'll show you why. So let me just X out of this. So now it's the teacher end and I want you to see what I see. So here are students who completed it. And then here, if I click on Emily's, she didn't do or complete any of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. She only did the homework and she didn't turn it in. And if you don't complete all of it, you don't get a grade for those things. And that beautiful 100 you got on your homework is probably going to become a 50. So just keep that in mind. Over here, I see needs to connect. Connected but not completed. Needs to connect. Connected but not completed. Needs to connect. Needs to connect. So I can see who has started and who hasn't. And so I need you to turn in your work. Thank you.